Level up your remote presence with professional video quality by transforming your Canon Eos 250d into a high-quality webcam for your Mac system. First, you'll need a USB cable to connect your camera to your Mac. Make sure it's the correct type for your Eos 250d. Typically a mini to USB-A cable. Plug one end into the camera's USB port and the other into an available USB port on your Mac. Next, we need the Canon Eos Webcam utility software. Open your web browser and navigate to the official Canon support website. Search for Eos Webcam Utility and ensure you select the Mac version compatible with your operating system. Once downloaded, locate the installer file, usually in your Downloads folder. Double-click to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts, accepting the terms and conditions to complete the installation. With the software installed, turn on your Canon Eos 250d. Crucially, set your camera's mode dial to the movie or video setting. This is essential for the webcam utility to function correctly. Now, open your preferred video conferencing or streaming application, such as Zoom, Google Meet, or OBS. Go to the video settings or preferences within the application. You should now see Canon Eos Webcam Utility as an available camera option. Select it. Congratulations, your Canon Eos 250d is now serving as your high-quality webcam. You'll immediately notice the superior image quality compared to a standard built-in webcam. Adjust your camera's focus and exposure as needed for the best possible presentation.